Hello, this is a 5 minutes close-up video that shows how to cornrow as a beginner. Enjoy. I promise you, if you follow this tutorial, you will learn how to braid once and for all. This finger is always on the scalp, pushing onto the braid you've done to prevent it from unraveling and supporting the braid you've done so far. These ones are going to be holding onto the hair. This one is going to be the one reaching for the hair. So this one we reach, pull it, both of them hold, pull, hold. You always on the scalp. Section of the beginning part, share that into 3. Now we have our middle piece that we are going to be sneaking behind. This one, because my right hand side is my dominant side, so my grabbing hands, fingers, hold on to it. Grabbing fingers of the left hand side, hold on to the middle one, and then the third one is just pushed down by the supporting middle finger. So yeah, now we are going to go behind the middle one and grab the left hand side. I grab it and pull it into the middle, but before it can assume the middle piece, I have to feed some hair into it. So I am going to just get a little hair from here. See, about this amount, you can see it, feed it into the, and now the middle one becomes this comes this way. So if I have one in the middle and I grab the right hand side, the middle one goes over to the right hand side. So I just grabbed the right hand side, this middle one becomes the right hand piece, move over, I go underneath the middle, this one, and grab the left hand side. For the left hand side to become the middle piece, I have to feed it to make it stronger. So I grab some hair, feed into it, and it assumes the position properly. So now it is the middle piece. I go behind the middle piece, grab the right hand side, give it a little hair, move it over to the middle, go underneath the middle, grab the left. So just remember, grab anybody you grab, you have to feed that person. So I grab this guy, feed him a little hair, pull it to the middle, go underneath the middle, grab the right hand side, go underneath the middle, grab the left hand side, feed it. Why did I rub this stupid edge control as if I am making stitch braid? And I'm not making stitch braid. Now the hair is just sticking down. Anybody that gets fed moves over to the middle. Sneak under the middle, grab the left, sneak under the middle, grab the right, sneak under the middle, grab the left, give it small hair, sneak under the middle, grab the right. So we're switching our hand. Go grab the left hand side, go grab the right hand side. While after you've braided to an extent, you're not going to need to be feeding the hair like this with your extra hand. Like, you won't need your hand to feed in the hair. When you're coming to grab this hair, you're going to knowingly grab some extra hair, so that makes it easier. So you go to the left, grab some hair, go under the middle to the right, and then you grab some hair, under the middle, grab left, under the middle, grab right. This is the middle. I am saying under the middle. Whoever is on top of mine, on top is the middle. Go under the middle, grab left, under the middle, grab right, under the middle, grab left, under the middle, grab right, under the middle, grab left, under the middle, grab right, grab left, grab right, grab left, grab right. I hope understanding. Under the middle, grab, under the middle, grab, grab and grab, grab and grab, and grab and grab and grab. This is a different angle, can you see? Under the middle, grab, under the middle, grab. You know who is going under the middle? This sneaker. This pointy finger under the middle, grab, 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 just like that. And we are done.